for me, how I start to understand it. So the baby in the high chair is dropping the toys on the floor and I keep picking them up. And then I think I'm not picking them up anymore. So I take the toys away. So I can take the toys away and shut them in another room in the high chair or on the floor and say, we're not doing that anymore. Stay there and shut the door. So this baby then is left with that big feeling and doesn't have any understanding about it and is overwhelmed by it. Yeah. They've got that big feeling in their body. They might be crying. They might be sobbing, or they've learned that actually there's no point in any of that. I'm just going to sit here feeling this horrendous feeling in my body and know that nobody's going to come and help me with these feelings, with this thing, because